that's not one of the best views in Scotland. Frankly, I don't know what is. Hello and welcome to David and the Drone. Today you join me at Loch Lomond, and guess what? We're climbing Ben Lomond. Weather's not so good. As we can see, a lot of clag on the hills. Some nice views behind me though, down to the loch. Taking the hill path today, and then I'm going to come down the Ptarmigan ridge. So fortunately no drone due to weather, but we'll make the best of it with the GoPro. And the next update, I guess I'll see you somewhere on the hill closer to the summit of Ben Lomond. See you there. Descending now down the Ptarmigan ridge, making good progress. It's been a great path so far. You can see the summit behind me there, but if I look through the gap we can actually see the Loch Sloy dam beside the first one that I've done in Ben Lomond in the Archer Alps. So it's nice to look over there, a little bit more experience this time, but I'll continue this lovely route down and see somewhere near the bottom. So that's me a good bit down the Ptarmigan ridge now, and I think that's a good point to end the video. So started off up the hill path from the Ben Lomond car park all the way up to the final ascent, which took me to 974 metres for the summit of Ben Lomond, back down the Ptarmigan ridge, and those views just opened up. So an absolutely cracking day. really enjoyed it. It's not been too busy either. I think that's probably the poor weather. That's another bonus. But yeah, let's finish it there. Great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.